Today's audio note series is basically carried out on the topic Centralized Food Production System. In this audio note, we will understand the meaning and definition of Centralized Food Production System, the basic examples of Centralized Food Production System and applicable sectors with its work continuum format, including advantages and disadvantages. Centralized Food Production System, which is also known as a central kitchen or food factory, tends to centralize the production of the food. In this system, food is transported to satellites or what we call receiving kitchen, where it is served to the customer. Food usually is purchased near the non-end of the food processing continuum, and food preparation is done in the central kitchen, which results in lower food cost. Labor costs are also lower because of the centralization of food preparation. This food service system or food production system takes advantage of economics of scale, so it is most effective when mass food production is required. One unique characteristic of centralized food production system is that food is transported to external location, satellite or receiving kitchen for service. Two factors will be needed to be considered about the food that is transported. The first one is temperature and second one is packaging. Food can be transported either hot or cold, which impacts the delivery and the equipment needed in the receiving kitchen and in the transportation system as well. The food can be sent to the receiving kitchen either in bulk or pre-plated. This receiving way of food in kitchen impacts the equipment and labor needed at the receiving kitchen. In addition, food production and delivery schedules must be coordinated. A simple chart of the centralized food production system clarifies about how the work is carried out in the centralized food production system. Here, we can see the food production is happened in a central kitchen, and then it is either stored frozen or stored chilled or hold heated, especially in the chefing dish. And then finally, it is served to the receiving kitchen or delivered to the receiving kitchen from where it is served to the customers. The application of centralized food production system is most easily visualized in airline industries. There is a centralized food production facility on or near the airport where the food is prepared, pre-plated, sealed, and either chilled or frozen and transported to the airlines. The pre-plated meal are placed in a closed cart, and the trays with the cold items are also assembled and placed in the cold carts. There are many examples of centralized food production system that is happened in the school, most occasionally in the current time, and the number have expanded dramatically in the past 20 years. What are the advantages of centralized food production system? Well, the advantages are lower food cost and supply cost, increase in purchasing power, effective utilization of local and fresh commodities, ingredient control is improved, there is inventory control, lower labor cost, flexibility in scheduling of food preparation, mechanization of preparation, quality control, in which the control would be especially on microbiological control, aesthetic quality, and nutritional quality. Consistency. In consistency, the better utilization of production facility will be there, and flexibility in location. Finally, what are the disadvantages of centralized food production system? Well, the first one is high initial capital investment for building and equipments. More technically skilled equipments are required. Equipment malfunctions can be a significant problem. Transportation cost increment, perceived loss of quality. Recipe modification may be required. Food safety problems can affect many customers. Individuals preparing the food are not serving the food to the customer directly in the first hand. Thank you.